Welcome to this tutorial on how to add a profile photo in Trello. In the next minute, I will guide you step by step to update your Trello profile picture quickly and easily. Whether you want to personalize your account or make it more professional, this simple process will help you get started right away. First, open Trello and look for your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Next, click on your profile icon to open a drop-down menu. Then select Manage Account from the menu options. After that, you will be redirected to your Atlassian account page. At this point, click on the Profile and Visibility tab. Now, tap on the Profile section and then select Add Profile Photo. Finally, click the Upload a Photo button. Choose the image you want from your device and press Upload to save your new profile picture. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily update your Trello profile photo anytime. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.